Hello everyone, my name is Javier Cacuango. I'm from Tabacundo, Pedro Moncayo, Pichincha, Ecuador. I am responsibly hardworking and friendly. I feel proud of my community and my culture. My community is Tabacundo. It is a beautiful place. It is surrounded by mountains and natural. One famous place is Mojanda Lagoon, and many people visit it because it is very beautiful. Another important place is Samnas Park. People meet through with family and friends. We also have the church of Tabacundo, traditional street music and celebration like San Pedro. Tabacundo has changed over time. In the past, the streets were greater and small. Today, Tabacundo is more modern, but it still keeps its traditions and history. I remember walking through the center of Tabacundo with my family. I noticed how much it was changed. Many places are different now, but the spirit of the community is still the same. These changes have had a positive impact on my life. A fuel prompt of where I come from. Thank you for watching. This is my community an important part of who I am.